There was 3 buildings that was in a tote that was setting aside that I end up adding to the layout. So the Harmony House, the Crosby House, and then behind the Santa Claus water tower there is the other grandma's house. So those 3 made 80 buildings on the layout. I also grabbed out another tote because I thought we would go through this tote together. So I have the tote sitting on the platform that goes over by the bridge, and I have a chair. So as I unpack this tote, I can put them on a flat surface as I take the pieces out. I usually do that on the layout, but the layout is, there's not enough room on the layout. And I'm filming for the first time on my iPad. It's a little different than what the phone is. So bear with me. Let's get unpacking this tote. These 3 are empty, so they're just little park benches. They're probably just sitting in another tote somewhere, so I'm just going to set these aside. Here are the 5 buildings and 3 accessories that we just unboxed. This is the Italian villa, and that swing does move. Poinsettias for sale. And then the garage, Palace Verde. Then early morning delivery, Kenwood House, 200 Christmas Lane, and feeding the birds.